What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. What you're about to watch is a clip from our Monday show, our WingMan weekly show. Those happen at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you'd actually like to watch those live, you can click the link in the description below and register.
That was the next question that I pulled, was just our process. And people were asking, is it better to do everything in one day, or is it better to like pick a piece of the business and then focus on it all day?
Yes. Focus on one thing every day. So instead of trying to go from here's, an idea, we found the landing zone, we made the art and actually made the listing, instead of trying to do that all in one day, I think it's actually more powerful because at least the way my brain works, like it's easier for me to just focus on one thing and work on that one thing. So I can keep making those connections and keep seeing patterns. I think just using your time to solely focus in on one thing instead of trying to do everything is a better way to learn, especially at the beginning. Again, if you're not, if you haven't done print on demand before, whether you're an amazing artist or really good at data, like you kind of need both of those things to work together. And I think it's hard to do like all in the same day, all within a couple of hours, to see how that is streamlined. But if you've been doing this for a while and maybe you've been doing it that way, maybe it's time to switch up and try doing everything just at one time. Maybe it's, you find the landing zone, you make that piece of artwork, you do your keyword research, and then you put the listing up. And you can just kind of streamline that system. That way, if you get interrupted by life or whatever happens, at least you have some listings up and you don't just have a ton of research done and no artwork. I think that's something me and Steven are both guilty of just doing the thing we like more than the other thing, which is why I think this relationship works. Like he can just do all the data stuff, I can do all the art stuff. But if you're by yourself, you don't have a little brother that you can boss around to do the artwork or whatever, then those listings aren't getting made. And that is, it's not helping anybody. You're not helping your customers get the products they want. You're not helping yourself make an income that you want. So making sure those listings are actually going up is extremely important.
If you're doing it by yourself, it's slightly different than how we do things, because I focus solely on the keywords and then hand it off. And then it's like throughout the week, the stuff gets done. But I think if you are doing it by yourself, it is a good habit to do everything all in one day. That's sometimes a difficult task. So if you're new and you're just getting started, I would suggest breaking it up. Do one thing each day so that you can kind of grasp it and lock it in. Because if keywords are something that's taking a long time, it's going to be extremely stressful if you're trying to do that and then rush to do the art. And then it's like, you're going to start feeling like you're lagging behind and not accomplishing anything. But if you go, okay, today I'm focusing on the keywords, tomorrow I'm focusing on the art, just so you can go, okay, I need to speed up my process. The more I do this, I know speed will come and I'll be able to do this in an hour. Nathaniel has a lot of those how to make listings in 10 minutes, just because we want to help people speed this process up. I think a lot of people get stuck with, I need this to be perfect, where POD is just like, get it to market and test it. And then if you feel like you missed something, just do another listing, targeting that same place, using a lot of those same keywords, change the art a little bit. Like that's how you make a ton of variations. I don't know if we've made that clear. I feel like we attempted to, but just this is why I love POD, because you can create a bad listing. And then if you go, hey, this is not working, you just make another listing, but a little bit better. Whatever you thought was bad about that first one, fix it on the second one. Thanks for checking out that video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you disliked it, thumbs down. Leave your questions in the comments below and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are doing 20-minute calls for the rest of the month. Those are free calls. If you'd like to know more, click the link in the description below.